Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. We see that we have 1 over y and this one. That is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equal to negative 1 over y. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have positive 1 over y squared dy over dx. This one we change by this one, and this one we change by 2v. So we have v, and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equation. So I will put about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integral. So we can see that positive number 2 with tanx, that is for integrating factor. So tan s we can change by sin s over cosine s. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of cosine s, and negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have 1 over cosine s squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 2 tan s over cosine s squared, and we have v in here. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have v over cosine s squared. Now we need to concentrate on this one. This one we can put into tan s squared secant of s squared, because 1 over cosine s squared equals to this one. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to tan s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by du, and we have like this. About u, that's about tan x. And now we need to change this one into this one. About v, we have this one negative 1 over y. So we put negative 1 over y in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.